North Carolina A&T State University is convening the community for an annual discussion about the economy. This marks the third year the campus has hosted this thought-provoking summit. Joining me now to give us an overview and instructions on how to register for the event is Oliver Thomas. He is the Associate Vice Chancellor of External Affairs for the Division of Strategic Partnerships and Economic Development. Hello, Oliver. Thank you for joining me.
Well, thank you for having us to talk about the Community and Economic Engagement Summit.
Absolutely. Well, we want to start with the mission. If you could tell us about that and just the whole overview of this event.
Absolutely. So the mission and vision of the 2024 Community and Economic Engagement Summit is really about bringing together entrepreneurs, business leaders, business owners, elected officials, and the Aggie community from faculty, staff, and students and alike to discuss various ways to engage in community and economic development in East Greensboro, and beyond. We choose to do the summit during homecoming, the greatest homecoming on earth, because we want Aggies to be able to engage and take this information back to their communities while we, as a land-grant research institution, engage in our local community to do the same.
Fantastic. Now, October 16th is when the summit will take place. How has the event impacted Aggies, and what would you say is the impact on the broader community since the inception of this event?
Absolutely. So we have the Office of Community Engagement within the university, and our key around this work is around connecting research and teaching with the community to make sure we are not only meeting the needs of the community, but also listening to the community, because we believe that community members are experts in their areas as well. And so for us, this has been about community building. It's been about partnership development, whether that is with organizations like Core Technology or businesses like Core Technology with Jeff Foster, or with Cone Health as well. But also our elected officials have joined and been present and have learned a bit about federal opportunities that would be engaging the local community. And so the benefit has not only been to North Carolina A&T in terms of our research faculty and our teaching faculty and our students in terms of their engagement, but it has also been beneficial to the community overall with these opportunities and partnership development that we had not had in the same way prior to when we started.
Fantastic. Cross collaboration, a little bit of public-private partnering. You can't go wrong with that. Now, obviously you have panel discussions, you have a keynote speaker. Tell us about the highlights that folks can look forward to this year.
Absolutely. So we're excited about the various conversations and the panel discussions that we'll have. They'll focus on campus or the university as a catalyst for partnership development, strategic development, not only again within East Greensboro and the Greensboro community, but beyond. And the work we do with universities outside of North Carolina and even internationally. We'll have a focus on AI and small businesses with the advance of AI, and AI already being around, but many of us being introduced to it in ways we didn't know it was already engaged in our community and business practices. We want to have a conversation with faculty, with businesses around AI and how it can be used positively to impact the work that's being done. And then we'll have a conversation around the future of the workforce. And so that's important because A&T, of course, as an anchor institution within Greensboro, North Carolina, works with companies such as Toyota and Honda Jet to make sure we're meeting the needs of the workforce today and the workforce tomorrow. So we're excited about all of the conversations. Our keynote speaker will be Jeff Foster, President, Founder, and CEO of Core Technology, a molding company, and Jeff is an Aggie. His company has grown being here in Greensboro, and soon there will be an announcement about, or groundbreaking rather, about continued growth of Core Technology. So we look forward to hearing from Jeff, and he's going to talk on not only about his developing of Core Technology, but also the nonprofit work that he does with youth in the community, elementary age students and alike.
Fantastic. We want to get folks involved early in STEM, so this is a great way to make that connection.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Now, is there any particular aspect of this year's Community and Economic Engagement Summit that you are most looking forward to?
Yes, the AI conversation, I think a lot of people are going to be excited about that because we're learning so much about AI in real time. We're hosting the summit this year at our university farm. Our university farm is 492 plus acres, and we're going to be hosting it in our pavilion. One of the reasons that we chose the university farm is because, again, as a land-grant institution, this work of community engagement we've been doing since our founding in economic development, and we've been doing that through cooperative extension, through our College of Ag and Environmental Sciences, through our various colleges, engineering, science and technology, arts, humanities, and social sciences. But few people get to visit the farm. Few people know that we have a farm in the city limits and that it is a research farm. It is the largest research classroom, if you will, that we have on campus.
That is impressive. I was just thinking 400 plus acres within the city limits is very impressive.
Absolutely.
And I'm looking forward to visiting the farm. So that's on my list of things to do.
Well, we're excited, and we would be glad to host you there, of course, coming on October the 16th.
Yeah.
But what you'll see on the farm adjacent to the pavilion is our urban and community food complex that is being built. And again, this is with the idea and the vision to meet the needs of our local community, as well as engage with youth around how they develop as potential ag business owners, ag innovators, and alike entrepreneurs, meeting the needs of our community around food security and alike. So we're excited.
Okay, well, we want to go back to those who are watching this and want to attend the Economic Summit. What's the best way to register?
Yes. So if you go to our website, www.ncant.edu, and put in a search, 2024 Community and Economic Engagement Summit, it will take you to the landing page for the summit. And as you scroll through that page, you will see the link to be able to register.
Fantastic. Well, Oliver, thank you for sharing the details and giving us an overview about the Economic Summit. I'm sure it will be well attended and generate some key takeaways as it relates to our local economy. I look forward to seeing you there.
Well, we look forward to having you and so many in the community join us on October the 16th.
Fantastic, and we hope to see you there as well.